सब लोग, आप सभी का मेरे चैनल में स्वागत है। आज मैं आपको बताने जा रही हूँ और आप बोल सकते हैं कि मैं आज आपको कुछ रिव्यू मेरे फीडबैक बताने जा रही हूँ ऑन द एवयूर फेस वॉश विच आई परचेज ऑनलाइन obviously. So while giving a review of the product, I will first start with the packaging. Okay, so the packaging is quite good. The price I will start. The price here it shows 130 rupees, but as I order this from online, so it cost me around 80 rupees. Now we are talking about the packaging. The packaging is quite good, quite lightweight, easy to carry. There is no leakage problem in this packaging. You can see the tap, which is also easily openable. You can see the voice, which is completely locking system, right? So there are no leakages in this particular face wash. The second thing, now I would like to talk about the tulsi and turmeric. As you all know that tulsi, which is very good for our health, body, and obviously for our skin also, and turmeric, which is antiseptic. Whether you are intake tulsi or whether you intake turmeric inside your body, or else you apply outside your external part of the body, which is always beneficial. Turmeric, which is our base of Ayurveda, we can say. So I thought to buy and use it. I used this product from last 5 days, and after that I thought to share the review. The second part, I'm going to talk about the review of the product. Okay. uh, Basically the main thing which I observe, the color of this particular face wash, you can see here, there is no color, right? So there is no artificial color is involved, which is in a natural form. You can see here there is no green, there is no yellow color extra which is added, right? So the color, which is a completely natural color which is there. So the first thing I observe, the color is very natural. There are no artificial color is added to this. Second thing which I observe, that is artificial fragrance. Okay guys, so let me tell you that here is no extra fragrance is added to this, which is a complete natural. There is no fragrance only, there is no foaming quality also which is there. जैसे कि आप फेस वॉश लगाते हो तो फोम करना स्टार्ट हो जाता है, राइट? ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा झागाना स्टार्ट हो जाता है. सो विच इज़ नॉट देयर, विच इज़ अ कम्प्लीटली लाइटर वेट and which is a very natural transparent color. The third thing I'm going to talk about, when you apply this face wash on your skin. So first, what I usually do, I wet my face, right, with the water. After that, I'm going to take a just little bit of face wash and then going to apply on the skin, right? After applying that, I'm going to rub everything on each and every part of my face. After that, you have to wash this with the lukewarm water or tap water, whichever is available to you. So that is a procedure. If you mix this face wash with the water and then you are going to apply, then which is not give you result. So that is the one thing I observe in this face wash. You have to first wet your face with the water. आप पहले आपके चेहरे को जो है पानी से गीला कर दीजिए. बाद में आप थोड़ा सा जो है हाथ में लीजिए जितना आपको ज़रूरत है. पूरा फेस पे आप मसाज कीजिए for a 3 to 4 5 सेकेंड. आफ्टर दैट यू हैव टू वॉश. डू नॉट मिक्स इट विद द टैप वाटर एंड देन आप उसका झाग करेंगे हाथ में और वो यूज़ करेंगे, नो. सो विच गिव यू बेस्ट रिजल्ट इफ़ यू फर्स्ट अप्लाई on your face and then you mix it with the water, then you apply the water on your face and you can wash your face. So that is the one thing I observe and which is give you a very refreshing feeling. Skin is started glowing also, not in a fair aspect, but स्किन की जो शाइन है वो थोड़ी सी जो है 5 और 6% आपको थोड़ी अलग लगना स्टार्ट हो जाएगी. इससे ज़्यादा इसमें कोई फ्रेगनेंस या फिर कलर वगैरह नहीं है, right? And which is a best for the costing also, because if you buy directly on the counter shop, then it will cost you a same which is their MRP. But if you buy online, which give you a good discount, and that price you will get a good quantity, almost like a month the face wash is more than enough, right? So this is all about the total review. The packaging, I love with the packaging of this product, and the quantity is very good, right? So hope you like the product review, friends, and if you want to see more product related review, you can comment down below. And you can, if you like this video, you can press on like button, share it with your friends, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching Mom's Beauty Review.